Hey everyone, welcome back. In our last video, we went over the basics, how to power up and navigate through the Flipper Zero menus. Today, we are diving into some of the fun stuff. We will take a look at the NFC, RFID, and infrared features of Flipper Zero. These are the bread and butter of the Flipper Zero, and you will see why soon. Let's jump in. Alright, let's start with NFC, which stands for Near Field Communication. You probably use it every day without even realizing it. Think contactless payments or digital key cards. Flipper Zero can read, store, and even emulate NFC cards. Super useful for duplicating things like access cards or setting up your own digital business card. Let me show you how it works. Head over to NFC section in the menu, hit read, and just tap your NFC card to the back of the device. Bam! It's read and saved. Now, if you want to emulate this card, just go back into your saved cards and hit the emulate. It's just simple, right? Now, let's move on to RFID. RFID is short for radio frequency identification, and you've probably seen this in things like building access cards, employee badges, or even pet microchips. Flipper Zero can read, save, and emulate low-frequency RFID tags, which is pretty neat. Same deal here. Hit to the RFID section, hit read, and scan your card or tag. Once it's saved, you can emulate it just like with NFC. It's perfect for when you need quick access without carrying a bunch of cards around. Alright, now onto infrared or IR for short. This is what your TV remote uses to send signals. And guess what? Flipper Zero can learn and store these digital signals. So you can control your TV or air conditioner or any other IR device with this little guy. Let's try it together. Go into the infrared section, hit the Learn New Signal, and point your remote at the Flipper Zero. Once it captures the signal, it's stored. You can even build your own universal remote with it. How cool is that? Now, remember, all of these features are super useful, but they are also powerful. Always make sure you are using them ethically and responsibly. Don't go around cloning access cards you don't own or messing with your neighbor's TV. One quick tip for all beginners out there. Experiment with reading and saving cards or remotes you already have. It's a great way to learn how Flipper Zero handles different signals, and trust me, you will get the hang of it in no time. And that's it for today's video. Now you know how to use some of the Flipper Zero core features: NFC, RFID, and the IR. In the next video, we are going to dive even deeper into advanced features like sub-gigahertz frequencies and signal analysis. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.